Okay, so let's look at question B and finish it up. Now, question B wants us to calculate the sum to infinity. Uh, these formulas are available from MF19. I had even placed it over here. If you carry MF19 to your exam room, you will always find the formula for the series and the quadratic equation. And you can see the formula is located over here. Sum to infinity is equals to a all over 1 minus r. The same thing I'm going to use over here. Now, we know our a from the previous question, it was 32. And we know our r, it was 8 over a, which was 8 over 32, which was a quarter. We can easily go direct and just solve this question, put everybody in the formula. So s into infinity, sum to infinity will be 32 all over 1 minus, a quarter is 0.25. So this is going to give you 32 all over 1 minus 0.25 is 0.75. So I just need to check what is the outcome of that. 32 divided by 0.75. Let's see that. 32, sorry, 32 divided by 0.75. So the answer is either 128 over 3, or if you want to leave the answer as a decimal, you can also leave it as a decimal, 42.6667 or 42.666 recurrent. But it's good to leave your answer in 4 decimal places. All right, there you have it. See you on the next question. Let's do question 3 now.